Hello everyone, good morning and Jai Hind to all of you. So there are two sums remaining in exercise number 14.3, number 1 and 4 to 7, which are completed, right? Okay, now let's start number 2. Okay, see, so there are two unknown frequency you can see and median is given to you, right? So the median of the distribution given below is 28.5. So here we have m equals to 28.5, right? And find the values of x and y. So we have the class intervals 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50 and 50 to 60, right? And frequency that is 5x, 20, 15, y and 5. Okay, so you can see in frequency there are two unknown frequencies x and y. Okay, and total is given to you, total is 60, right? Now, so for median we need a median class, right? And also we find the CF. Okay, so for CF, first 5 as it is, second 5 plus x, third 5 plus x plus 20, that is 25 plus x, 25 plus x plus 15, that is 40 plus x, 40 plus x plus y, yani 40 plus x plus y as it is, and 40 plus x plus y plus 5, that is 45 plus x plus y, right? Now, so we have median is 28.5. So here median is 28.5 and therefore 28.5 lies between 20 to 30, right? So 20 to 30 is our median class, right? So we have median class 20 to 30 and the lower limit is 20. Therefore L equals to 20. The difference class size is 10, so H is 10. Okay, now so in this row we have the value of F is 20, so F is 20, and preceding the CF, so CF is 5 plus x, so CF equals to 5 plus x, right? Now put these all values in our formula. So median m equals to L plus n by 2 minus CF upon F into H. What is m? M is 28.5, so 28.5 equals to L. L is 20 plus n by 2. What is n? N is 60, right? Yes, and obviously addition of all these things, that is our n. That means we can say that कि इन सबका जो प्लस है वो 45 प्लस एक्स प्लस वाई जो है वो 60 होगा, राइट? सो हियर 45 प्लस एक्स प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 60 and therefore x plus y equals to 60 minus 45, that is 15. Give it number 1. Now n is 60, so n by 2, that is 60 by 2 यानी 30 हो जाएगा, minus CF, CF is 5 plus x upon F. What is F? F is 20 into H. H is 10. Okay, now 0 0 cut. Therefore 28.5, take this at left side, so we can minus 20 equals to 30 minus 5 minus x upon 2, right? 28.5 minus 20, that is 8.5. 2 जाएगा मल्टीप्लाई में, equals to 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x. 8.5 2s are 17 equals to 25 minus x, and therefore x equals to 25 minus 17, right? X equals to 25 minus 17, and therefore x equals to 8. Now put this value of x in first equation. So from 1, x plus y equals to 15, that is 8 plus y equals to 15, and therefore y equals to 15 minus 8, and therefore y equals to 7. Okay, so we have two unknown frequencies x and y, that is 8 and 7 respectively. Okay, now move to the third one. Okay, so we have the table which is in less than 10. यहाँ पे आपको below 20, below 25 ऐसे आपको एक कॉलम गिवन है, and we have to convert it in particular classes, right? So you can see a life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policy holders. That means the total number of policy holders is 100. That means our total frequency is 100, right? So first we make a table here. Age, that is starts from below 20, below 20, then below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, 50, 55 and 60, right? चलो, एज and then number of policy holders. So number of policy holders. So you can see the number of policy holders which are gradually increases. Okay, we know that there are total 100 policy holders, and in frequency you can see gradually increases and last one is 100. that means n ये 100 हो गया. that means this is our cumulative frequency. ये जो हमें given है वो क्या है, CF है, that is cumulative frequency, right? and this is okay. So first we convert this below type information in particular classes. So क्लास में अगर इसको कन्वर्ट करना है, so as we know below 20, but it is given that कि पॉलिसी होल्डर्स जो है उसकी एज मिनिमम 18 होनी चाहिए और मैक्सिमम 60 होनी चाहिए. सो 20 से बिलो एज वाले जो पीपल है, ऑब्वियसली उन लोगों की एज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 18. सो 18 to 20 ईयर्स में जो है वो कितने हैं, 2 पीपल, राइट? देन 5 का गैप है. सो यहाँ पे हम स्टार्ट करेंगे 20 से 25. वाई? बिकॉज ये 20 पे एंड हुआ. सो ऑब्वियसली नेक्स्ट क्लास स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 20. सो 20 to 25 में कितने लोग होंगे? यहाँ पे देखो बिलो 25 है. सो बिलो 25 में 6 है, बट ऑलरेडी जो बिलो 20 वाले जो थे 2, वो तो अभी इसमें नहीं आएंगे क्योंकि हमने 20 to 25 का क्लास डिफरेंट कर दिया है. ठीक है, उसको अलग कर दिया है हमने, उसको सेपरेट कर दिया. 20 से लेस वाले जो है वो ऑलरेडी 2 हमने यहाँ पे इंडिविजुअल सब कुछ कर दिया है. ठीक है, सो यहाँ जो 6 पीपल है जो बिलो 20 में, जो 20 से लेस वाले जो 2 लोग थे वो इसमें नहीं आएंगे. दैट मीन्स 6 में से 2 हो जाएगा माइनस एंड इट विल बी 4. सिमिलरली 25 to 30 में 24 में से 6 जाएगा, दैट इज़ 18. देन 30 जो है to 35, 30 to 35 में कितना हो जाएगा? देखो अभी 45 है ना यहाँ पे. सो 45 minus 24. सो 4 minus 5 is 1 and 2. देन 35 to 40. सो 78 minus 45. 33. Okay. Yes. 40 to 45. that is 89 minus 78. चलो 1 1. Then 45 to 50. 92 minus 89. 3. 50 to 55. 98 minus 92. 6. And 55 to 60. 100 minus 98, that is 2. Okay, so these are the frequencies, right? ये क्या हो जाएगी हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी एफ आई हो जाएगी, ठीक है. नाउ so first we have to convert this given information in this form. After that what we do, so we have to find the mean, right? Median. Calculate the median age. So for median we know that the total is 100. If you add 2 plus 4 plus 18 plus 21 and all these numbers, so you will get n equals to 100. Okay, so for median we know that first we find n by 2, that is 100 by 2, and that is 50. So after 50 in CF there is 78. So in 78 row we know that 35 to 40 is there. So 35 to 40 is median class, right? And therefore 35 is lower limit, so L equals to 35. 35 to 40, so class size is 5, right? And in this row the frequency is 33, so F equals to 33, and the preceding 45, so our CF will be 45. Okay, now put these all values in our formula, so we get the value of median. Okay, so you can easily find out the value of median, right? So ये आप कर सकते हो होमवर्क में. Okay, now next topic is the ogive. You need graph paper for that. Okay, so आज हम यहीं तक रखते हैं. होमवर्क में आप लोगों को एक्सरसाइज 14.3 तक सारे एग्जाम्पल्स भी करने हैं और तीनों एक्सरसाइज आपकी फेयरबुक में कंप्लीट होनी चाहिए, राइट? सो योर टुडेज होमवर्क इज complete exercise number 14.1 to 14.3 with examples in notebook. Okay, so in next lecture we'll start ogive, and which is most important. Basically अभी तक एग्जाम में आया नहीं है बट आ सकता है, राइट? सो डजेंट मीन कि आपको वो नहीं करना है. It's important. Okay, so see you next lecture. Goodbye all of you.